Back up, Angela. All right, let's go ahead and start by showing two ways. This is one way, the first way, and the second way. I want you to show me 70 cents on your whiteboard. Show me two different ways that you could make 70 cents.
Yes.
Ms. Wonderland.
Yes, Landon.
I don't have my whiteboard or no piece of paper.
You should have your school supplies ready to go. Go ahead and watch with us to see what other students share out. Angela, use it for learning. First way to show 70 cents and a second way to show 70 cents. I already see some friends who are ready to share. Ready. All right, so I'm looking for two different ways at least to make 70 cents. Nick, what did you think of?
3/4.
So 3/4, Nick, is 75. Oops. So 25 plus 25 is 50. How could I get up to 70? So I'm at 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. That's one way. Okay, Alicia, how did you make 70 cents? A quarter? So here we have 25, 35, 45, 55. And we're at 60. Oh, I missed a 10. I'm sorry. Lisa, you're correct. 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 70. Awesome. Looking for a different way. Gloria. So 10 what? Sorry.
10 3.
Threes?
Yeah.
What coin is a 3? Oh, 3 dimes? Is that what you mean? Sorry, Gloria, I couldn't hear you. 3 dimes. 3 nickels. And a quarter. So let's check this. Here we go. 25, 35, 45, 55, 60, 65, 70. Awesome. Let's do one more. One more. Kaylee, go ahead. Let me change my color here. 5 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait.
Oh, you said dimes. Oh my goodness. Leave 4. Here. Sorry about that. Let me start over with Kaylee's. 5 dimes, correct?
Yep.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What else? So we're at 50 cents.
50 cents.
60. Oh, that's it. 70. Sorry, Kaylee. Oh, I totally messed that up. All right. So look how many different ways. We counted 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's other friends willing to share. I saw more ways. We actually need to move on from this, but thank you so much for being willing to share out how many different ways you can count up to make a value or a collection of coins. Thank you so much. You may put away your whiteboard and marker or pencil and paper. I need all students to move away from quizzes and move to Seesaw. We're going to open up our Seesaw math task for today, and we're going to get started on applying. Can we count money? Do we have enough money to make a purchase? Let's go ahead and find our task together. Please click on Activities, Assign to Class folder. And we are in blue math. Blue math. Today, our task is called, do I have more than, not enough, or just enough? So far, we've been asking ourselves, do I have enough to buy this? And we answer yes or no. Today, I want to know, do you have more than enough money, not enough money, or the exact amount? Do you have just enough to make a purchase?
No.
Let's go ahead and open this up together, please. Click on Add Response. And open your task, and let's look at the beginning of our task together. On slide 1, we have our success criteria. We know that we are finding the value of a collection of coins and bills, and we are answering real world questions by determining if there's more money, not enough money, or just right amount of money. Go ahead and go to slide number 2 with me, please. And I want you to take 2 minutes. Show me what you know. I want you to show me 2 different ways to make 53 cents. Show me 2 different ways to make 53 cents. Draw a model. You have 2 minutes. Ready, go. Right, now is a chance for me to call on somebody who didn't get a chance earlier. Somebody who wants to share out one way that they made 53 cents. Theo did not get a turn earlier. Theo, how can we show 53 cents?
So 2 quarters.
2 quarters.
And 3 pennies.
And 3
Pennies.
pennies. This is one way to show 53 cents. Jonathan, you did not get a turn earlier. What's a different way that we can make 53 cents? Do you want to share or pass it on?
Add on 5 pence.
5 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes. What else, Jonathan?
3 ones.
What do we call those ones?
Pennies.
Pennies. Yep, use that math vocabulary. Haley, I saw that you were wanting to share. Haley, did you have one of these same ways?
Hi.
Up.
So my ways is I know this might not be too easy to draw, but it's
Haley, you got interrupted. What was the way that you made 53 cents?
This might not be easy to draw, but I did 1 pennies to 53.
Oh my, she counted 53 pennies up to 53 cents. Thank you, Haley, for being willing to share. Honesty, what was a way that you made 53 cents?
I did the same way as Jonathan.
Oh, awesome. Smart brains thinking alike. Thank you to friends who want to share. I'm going to call on you to share next things. Yes, you may. Let's keep going. I want to go to slide number 4, please, with you. Slide number 4. It says with your teacher. Let's do this one together and let's get started. Slide number 4 gives us a word problem. Go ahead and read it to yourself. Read the word problem to yourself.
we leave, we could give Miss before we leave, we could give this for PE. Before we leave, we could give Miss Grandma her book.
Okay, what we're doing today is we are looking at a price tag. Then we're looking at how much money I have, and we're going to write the amount. Then we're going to answer. Do we have more money than we need? Not enough money? Or just enough? The exact amount to buy the thing, okay? Then you're gonna circle, yes, not enough, just enough, or more than enough. Over here, what's going on over here? Who can tell us what the direction is for these bonus questions? Kaylee, what does it ask you to do?
Bonus question: if there is enough money, how much
Change.
is left? Bonus question: if there isn't enough money, how much is needed?
Okay, so after you determine how much money there is, you need to think about which question makes sense for the problem. If there is enough money, how much change will be left after you buy this? If there is not enough money, how much change is needed so that you can buy it? Okay, let's do one together, and then you'll do one with a partner. Here we go. I need $7.11. Let's go ahead and find how much money we have in the workspace. Starting with the greatest value. Kaylee, how many dollars do we know we have?
7.
Okay, so I see a $5 bill, a $1 bill. How did you jump to 7, Kaylee? Teach it to me.
So it's $5 bills and $1 bills. So I left those out the way because I already knew those were 6. And then I counted the quarters. And then it was 4 quarters, and 4 quarters make $1.
Oh, thank you for slowing it down a bit. So Kaylee saw that there are 4 quarters. There are 4 quarters, which equals $1. So she added another $1. Now we have $7. Okay. What's left to add? We have $7. Maybe make sure you're listening. Take off headphones. What can we do next, Gloria? Add the pennies. So what will I have? $7.01. Okay, so now we can record it on the line that says I have blank. We're going to write it here. I have dollar symbol, $7.01. Go ahead and record it right here where it says I have blank. Write it in on the line. Check that you have shown your work. Check that you recorded it right here where it says I have blank. Okay, after you record how much you have, it's time to answer. Do you have not enough money, more money, or just right? Just enough for what you need. So look at the price tag, $7.11. We have $7.01. So what should we circle, Nick?
The red.
What should we circle right here?
Not enough.
It says there is not enough, just enough, or more than enough. And Nick says we need to circle there is not enough money. There's not enough. I heard Angela already answering that for herself. There's not enough. If I have to pause my lesson to come talk to you, That's not a good sign. Okay, so now we're going to pick which bonus question makes sense. Green says if there is enough money, how much change is left? Does that make sense if we just said there's not enough money? No, so we're not doing that one. The red one is what Nick was referring to. If there isn't enough money, how much is needed? Ooh. So we have $7.01. How much is needed so that we can buy this? Kaylee, how much is needed?
We need we need 1,005.
10 cents.
We need 2 nickels, and then we need
So I love that Kaylee and Honesty are thinking about how much money is needed. If we have 1 cent, we need to get up to 11. You can count on. Honesty said we need 10 more cents. And Kaylee thought of a math way to do that. She said we could do 2 nickels or 1 dime or 10 pennies. I don't care what way you do it. You can say we need 10 cents more. We need 10 cents more answers the question. And we know that could be pennies, a dime, or 2 nickels. Go ahead and model like I have, answering the question, how much change is needed? How much more is needed to buy this item? Go ahead and check your work now, please. On slide number 5, we're going to do this with a partner. Friends in person, I'm going to partner you up. Friends on Zoom, I'm going to partner you up. I want you to find out how much money I have. Is there not enough, just enough, or more than enough money? And then pick which question makes sense and answer the question. You have 3 minutes to work in your group, in person or on Zoom. 3 minutes to do slide number 5. Okay, I'm going to ask some friends to share out problem 5, slide number 5, as we go through each part. I'm wondering if Honesty and Landon can share out how much money we have on slide number 5. Kellen. Honesty or Landon?
$7.11.
Okay, so we have $7.11. Thank you so much. We get that by adding $5 plus $1. So, how did we get $7 if we have $5 plus $1? How many dollars is that?
6.
That's $6. We need to go back and edit our work. That's only $6.11. Okay, good thing we checked our.
Yeah, I forgot. I had one more.
No problem. Thank you, Honesty. Okay, looking for another group that can share out. Do we have not enough, just enough, or more than enough? Not enough, just enough, or more than enough. Next group. Our cost is $1.11. We have $6.11. We have more than enough. So now we need to look at which bonus question makes sense. We need to look at the one that says if there is enough money. So that's green. Okay. So Maverly's group, are you wanting to share? It's the green question. Okay. Do you guys have an answer for how much change is left if you buy this? Okay. So if they spend $6, if they have $6.11 and they spend $1, there will be $5 left. Great job. All right, all friends listening for what your task is this afternoon. Listening for what your task is, Jonathan's group. On slide number 6, it also says breakout room. That's an option. You can do that one if you want. Slide number 7 is an option if you want. You don't have to do it. Your work starts on slide number 8. Slide number 8 is where you start your independent work. You're going to do the exact same thing we've done together, starting on slide number 8, going down, and then reflecting on your success today. Were you able to solve real world problems? Tell me yes or no. What were you able to do? Tell me on slide 10. That is your task today. I'm going to end the Zoom.